Good day, I'm Jomi Ansi Rosario from BSED 1B. In this video, I will going to share what I have learned about our subject mathematics in the modern world from Module 1 to Module 6. In Module 1, I've learned that mathematics is more than numbers and the variable x. Module 1 is about patterns in nature. Patterns in nature, these are the visible regularities of form found in natural world that includes trees, flowers, spirals, waves, cracks, and stripes. These are the multiple causes pattern in nature. Some pattern and governed by mathematics, these are called golden ratio. This rule describes a specific pattern in nature. It emergence pattern and ratio pi 1.61803 and may use to find the term of a Fibonacci sequence using the beneath formula. Fibonacci sequence is one of the most famous formula in mathematics who was discovered by or invented by Leonardo Pisano, also known as Fibonacci. And this Fibonacci sequence is an infinite sequence because it has an unlimited number of terms and goes on indefinitely. In Module 2, I learned the classification characteristic of mathematical language, the precise, concise, and powerful. When we say precise, this would be able to make very fine distinction or being exact or accurate. For example, if your mother told you to go to market to buy food for dinner, but she only gives you 300 and she said, you are the one who budgets, so all you have to do is to fit all the money to buy food for dinner. And when we say concise, this may be able to say things briefly, meaning simple but clear. For example, I like apple. Brief yet including all the important information. And when we say powerful, it is able to express complex thought with relative ease, means make the complex things or problem easier. For example, using the GPS to find the shortest route for you in a very little time. In Module 3, I learned the meaning of simple statement and compound statement. Simple statement is one that does not contain another statement as a component. For example, Cebu is the oldest city in the Philippines. And when we say compound statement, it is a group of two or more statements connected using the word such as or, and, if then, and only if. For example, we will go to Camiguin Island or we will go to Mactan Island. I've also learned about inductive and deductive reasoning. When we say inductive reasoning, it is a process of making specific to general conclusion. For example, Miss Jen is a pretty. She is my math teacher. Therefore, all math teachers are pretty. And when we say when it comes to deductive reasoning, it is a process of making a specific and truthful conclusion based on general principle. For example, all members of the club can use the club's pool. Diane is a member of the club, therefore Diane can use the club's pool. In Module 4, I've learned about statistic, the meaning, and the categories of statistic, the descriptive and inferential statistic. When we say descriptive, it is a procedure concerned with the describing of characteristic of information in a collected data. And when we say inferential statistic, it is the statistical procedure that is used to draw information about characteristic or properties of a large group. For example, set of data and hypothesis test. I also learned the basic terminologies of statistics, the population, sample, parameter, data, the two categories of data, the qualitative and the quantitative data. When we say qualitative, those are the only assumed values that manifest the concept of attributes, and when we say quantitative, are those numerical in nature. And this quantitative data is discrete and continuous. In Module 4, I also recognize the different types and classification according to scale measurement, the nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio level of measurement. In Module 5, I learned about the central tendency and central measurement for ungrouped data, the calculation of mean, median, and mode. In finding the mean, we will using class mark formula. And to find the median, we first construct the less than cumulative frequency, then we have to determine the median class. In Module 6, I've learned about measurement of variation or dispersion, the range, the mean, absolute deviation, and to solve statistical deviation using the distribution tables.